Hey guys, Alex back and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be playing Will You Press the Button? So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, our first one is, you're the most athletic person in the world, but you have ADD and memory loss. I will not press the button, because I have memory loss and ADD. Alright, that was badass. I want some very strange questions. Okay, let's go. You'll be YouTube famous. You can only make jackass videos. I will not press the button. I don't want to make jackass videos. Oh my god, do I have to do this every single time? You find out you have the power of it to be a Jedi. Power of a Jedi. You are Jar Jar Binks. Jar Jar Binks is a freaking boss, mate. He can do 720s all the days. Oh my god, how do I get rid of this? Can I change this so this doesn't come up? Whatever, it doesn't really matter. Alright, you are blessed with incredibly good luck, I already am. Your luck is reversed for 1 day each month. Nah, I've already got heaps good luck. That's why they call me Lucky Locks. Alright, that was a good question. God. Alright. Half-Life 3 will be produced. Created by EA, ending it is DLC. I don't even care about that game, so I will not. I've never actually heard of that game, but I don't even care. That was a bad question. Okay, let's go. All classic rock musicians are alive and young. They will never release new material. I will press the button. Because at least you can still talk to them, I guess. That was a good question. I'm just going to quickly move my office chair over here. Oh my god. I stuffed everything up. Don't worry, I'll just stand up. You'll be part of your sexual fantasy as the other person. Oh god, I will not. Kicking everything around. Oh look, there's a rotten banana. Alright, that was a bad question. Because I had a bad answer.